Hello guys, Altus here today, and we got something very special. This is a little different. Holy crap, that loud noise! But yeah, this is different. Sorry if I haven't recorded like a while or a month now because I've been busy a lot lately. And it's summer. I've been going out a lot outside. Not really though, but I've been going out outside like every weekend. Like weekdays, no. Not right now, but today we got a special guest right here. This is the Bay. Say hello, Bay. JK. But this is my new bike. I got it recently, like last week. Yeah, last week. Sorry, I had to check outside. But sorry if you see like the quality a little bad right now because the sunlight is blocking. Holy crap! Hold on, let me tap it. Yeah, that's the sun. It's hot outside right now. It's like 90 degrees. But let's see. Oops. Focus. Okay, there we go. Sorry the camera's shaking though, but let's see. But yeah, this is a BMX. Like I said, I got it recently. This is a Subrosa Altus 2015. Yeah, but I got it recent. Like I said last week. But yeah, really dope bike. Its weight is I think 27 pounds. 27, I guess. Yeah, 27.5, I guess. This is a unsealed American hub. You guys don't know bikes, go look at it. Oh, actually, you guys don't know, but I'll tell you everything. A Shadow Conspiracy hand reveal again. No wait, Subrosa logo seat. Sorry, I was shaking. I had to hold the bike too, standing up. Altus 25T cranks, 3-piece. Wait, 25T sprocket, Brant sprocket, Brant 3-piece cranks. Yeah, unsealed American hub. Like I said, a 2 point. God damn it, it's freaking shaky. Sorry, it's hard to hold the camera. But let's see here. All right, there we go. It's a tires are 20 inches. Yeah. So the thickness of the tires is 2.1. Yeah. Sorry. This is the Subrosa handlebars. Everything's stock. I might upgrade it later on. Shadow Conspiracy Chula grips. You guys can see. These are like big companies, like BMX companies. Logos. I don't know if you can see it or not. Shaking. Sorry. I had the render distance. Not render distance, but yeah. Subrosa 7.25 inches tall. The height rise 27. I cannot speak right now because I'm tired. It's hot. Yeah, rant brakes, really good. Rant front load stem. Oh yeah, 7.25 rise handlebars and 26 width, 26 inches wide. Yeah, so stock Subrosa logo seat. Stock tires 2.1.25, I guess. Wait, 2.21. Oh my god, I cannot speak. 2.125, 125, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, stock unsealed front hub. What's it called? Sorry about that. Forgot to change. 90 driver stock hub. Rant is alright, but except I might change the handlebars, the stem, probably the fork, because one of my friends, I was riding it, I was hanging out with friends, and like somehow he was trying to like bunny hop the thing, where you can see the like the stickers is coming off. I just got it. But yeah, ramp PC pedals, they're really good, but they kind of like wear off easily. So I'm trying to get Odyssey twisted PC pedals. So yeah, they handle real good. But But yeah, Subrosa logo. But yeah, everything's dope. Real good. Good conditioning. Actually, just got it. What the heck? Am I selling this bike or no? No, I'm not. But yeah, guys, this is Altus here. Bike check. If you guys into BMX, get one. Or no bikes, get it. What the fuck is it like a freaking mark right here? Really? Like a mark right there. Wow, are you kidding me? I didn't even realize that mark. I don't know if it was from the tree or not. Look at that mark. I just got this goddamn bike. And supposedly my friend says that you're gonna use it just to do tricks. Nah, man. Maybe. But I'm not quite sure. I haven't got the pegs yet. I might get them. New cranks. Like I said. I really like new grips. Aaron Ross grips. Signature grips. Good BMX rider. Yeah. Sorry about the freaking mess around here because I had to get this video done. Yeah, this bike is dope. I recommend it if you're like a beginner level like me. I'm a beginner. It's light, little. Actually, it's heavy to do it one hand. I could actually lift it up. But yeah, dope bike. Alright. Sorry if I haven't like uploaded. Like I said, I'll upload some more, but I've been busy a lot lately, like taking care of my sister, babysitting her, and babysitting my cousins, which I am gonna get paid for babysitting them, which I'm gonna get paid like $100. I think this week, which today's Sunday. See, I could get this video done. But yeah, guys, bike check. Really dope red. Subrosa Altus 2015. I was planning, once I realized there was gonna be the bike check, not 26 bike check, 2016 bikes of Subrosa. I didn't realize it till right now. But yeah, guys, Altus here, logging out. And what the heck is that? Oh, it's the Altus cable. But yeah, right down there. But yeah, guys, love you and bye bye. More videos coming soon. Bye.